Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a newly reduced listing for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 730 Satellite Drive. Nice little north side neighborhood. No real junk around. Haven't seen a car yet. So you have some side RV boat type parking. The driveway's not as steep as it looks in the pictures. It's pretty subtle. So this one was just reduced from $624 to $549.9. So you have the property line right between these two water boxes. So if you follow the rocks, that's pretty much the property line. So it has a nice front patio, which is pretty cool. Let's go on and check it out. All right guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2003, 1,853 square feet. Nice open floor plan, rear kitchen. Split bedroom layout, little slider out to the backyard. You have a little dining area, tile kitchen counters, can lights, pot shelves. It's a little walk around. It's got a little pantry. So you have your indoor laundry, access to the garage, and your master on one side of the house. This looks like the master. The carpet looks like it's real clean and in good condition. Little slider out to the backyard patio. Walk-in closet in the master. The master bath has a little pocket door. Skylight. Lots of natural light. Dual sinks. Nice soaker tub. Big walk-in shower. Toilet has its own door. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have your other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath. Also has a real nice tiled walk-in shower. So you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. They have it set up like a little man cave type setup. You have pot shelves with backlighting in your typical 2-door closet. So you have bedroom number 3, the back of the house. Has a big vaulted ceiling, same 2-door closet setup. Real clean. All right, let's go check out the garage in the backyard. All right, so you have your indoor laundry off the kitchen and master with a little beer fridge and a door to the garage. Also has a skylight in here. All right, so this is a pretty nice garage setup. It's got a 1-car side that's 22 feet deep, has insulated doors, and there's also a 2-car side that's 33 feet deep. I'm sorry, 30 feet deep. Both garage doors are 8 feet high. Got a little man door to the outside and a window. Got your water softener and hot water. Little utility sink. So you have a little patio off the kitchen here. Looks like it's pre-wired for low voltage speakers and stuff. So the property line goes back to the telephone pole over there. So you could put a fence or a wall in. Plenty of room for a big pool. It's got a tile roof. So this house is also on a solar power system, and it is leased at $110 a month. So a new buyer will have to take on that lease, or it can get paid off. Nice tile roof with rolled eaves. Here's your little sun power deal for the solar. Lots of room back here. Got a little outbuilding. Property line goes back to that telephone pole. The shed is locked, so I'm not sure what's in there. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on 730 Satellite Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $549,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys can always get the latest price, pictures, availability. Of course, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.